Ah, the ginkgo leaves in the sunshine. Hello, Chef here, back with this ginkgo leaf that's been dried in the sunshine. I want to process this a little further and get it down so I can store it in a vessel. I'll be using a glass jar here with a cork on it to store my tea. And I like to use a tea ball sometimes. This tea ball, or tea infuser they call it. This is nice for quick, easy batches of tea. And the ginkgo has all kinds of beneficial properties. So follow along. I'm putting all of the ginkgo leaves in this food processor. And I'm just going to give them a quick grind, get it down to a powder. Ah, yes, and there we have it, our ginkgo tea leaves. Looking really good. Now I can use this tea in my infuser and just give a decent amount. I'm going to say maybe half full right there. And we're going to use that to brew a batch of tea. Ah. Color is releasing, color and flavor. Powerful antioxidants from the plant leaves. I will let this steep for a few minutes. Okay, just a few minutes later, I've released a significant amount of positive healing from the ginkgo right there. I always fortify it, so here I'm using a little bit of green tea. And I like to put honey in my tea as well. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. I'll be labeling my ginkgo right there for later use. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Learn more about ginkgo on this channel. Subscribe right here. And of course, check out the butcher blocks. Yeah. You need good knives and good butcher blocks in your kitchen. Chef can help you. Cheers to your health. Oh, it's so good. So you want to find a young tree, a small tree. These trees live for hundreds of years, and the young ones have more tender leaves. I'm going to be removing the leaves like this with a pair of scissors. You can find these ginkgo leaves dried, different markets, things like that. These are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm going to put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. Really, really nice. Now, Look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see. I did the sweet and sour sauce 2 ways today. Gonna put some down like this. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on a million times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact, like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambu's Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,